What's up, everybody? It is Monday, October 29th, a little after 10 a.m. CCCL, real quick, is popping off. Running from 220 up to a high of 340 right now. Let's see if it can hold $3 here. I caught this just in time when it was breaking out of this level right here. Is it going to hold this mental area, $3, or is it just going to drop off? As soon as it popped up to 340, a lot of selling came into it. People were just dumping it. But this still could pop. I made a real quick 350 bucks on it real quick. I'll show you. With just 725 shares. Got in here at 260, right when it was breaking this area here for a U-shaped breakout. So I chased it a little bit because it was moving a little fast. 260 pops up to 3, and then from 3 it just blew over 3 to 340. I should have sold it at 340, but I got greedy. And I took off, let's see, I sold it at 308. So I took a 40-cent drop on it before I sold it. Now it's coming back up to $3. A lot of dumping on it. You gotta be fast with these low float plays. You can't hold and hope. If you hold and hope, it could really damage your account. Listen to what I'm saying. And compulsively buying when it's jumping up right here, up to 3, just think, if you would have gotten in and filled at 310, you'd be down 30 cents just about when it pulls back to this area. I'm not seeing volume flood into this today. It's only at 605,000 in volume. So this possibly could not break. We're almost an hour into the open, and this is just over 500,000 in volume. Let's see. A lot of attention's on the shippers. Look at that. And it fails. Everybody's dumping it. Very fast mover, CCCL. 3.6 million float. And it's not like YECO's running with it as well. YECO, real quick, had a nice run Friday. See, and look what YECO does today. Today it had a nice pop from 570 up to 670. Wow. 670 and almost $7. And now it's pulling back to this area. It's still establishing lower highs, so this thing could pop as well. And CCCL has been running in comparison with YECO. This is why I have these stock scanners. CCCL started popping up on my beast mode scanner right in this area right here, breaking out to new highs. I added to my watch list. I watched it, seen it pull back to 225, a mental area. Pretty much bounces right off its previous day close. That's what this blue line is right here. It's its previous day close. Bounces off of it, starts moving back up. I seen buyers pile up on the bid. The ask got eaten up real fast. The ticker tape was confirming the buying, and it surged over this area right here. That's the U-shaped breakout. Got in here at 260, chased it a little bit. As you can see, after it broke through this U-shape, it didn't come back and test this area. And it just, from 260, it went straight up. These low floats, they move differently than higher float stocks. You gotta be fast with low floats, or you can get burnt bad, like I said. But now it's currently in a downtrend. It's making lower lows. Back to DCIX real quick. DCIX is just slowly grinding up. Had a nice pre-market run here. Friday it closed at $1.75. Today it hit a high of $2.75, and then it sells off. TOPS, same thing. Closed at $1.65. Hit a high pre-market of $2.21, and then it sells off. Now it's just slowly starting to grind itself back on up. ESEA is going to run in sympathy of these shippers. So these shippers are the hot and where the tension's at today. PXS, Dries, they're all green on the day. Even Seed. Majority of my weekly watch list right here. Look at this. This is the weekly watch list I made over the weekend. Majority of them are green today. The only ones I ain't that are YECO, but YECO had a nice pop. AGRX is at support at 75 cents, and VTVT is still hanging around that $3 area. And the overall market, the SPY, gaps up today, and it's looking pretty good. You see how we have this surge right here, and you see how we just had that surge in buying, and I got that pop on CCCL. 3 out of the 4 stocks follow the overall market, and just like right here, 56% are green, 44% are red. I want to trade when the overall market's green. I don't want to trade when the overall market's red. That makes it hard. Don't fight the market. Don't fight trends. If you fight the market, you'll lose every single time. Did CCCL fall off? Yeah, it did. So it's a good thing I sold this. See, it just collapsed and fell. As soon as it starts establishing lower lows, I don't want nothing to do with it. And now UUU is breaking out. This was another one I had up. Look at UUU. This thing's going nuts. I didn't want to trade this though because on the weekly, the 100-day moving average is at 207. And what did this run up to? 210, 212. Let me bring this over real quick. So you got the daily right here. It's up and over the 50, the 100, and 200-day moving average right here. Looks like it had a squeeze with looked like the 100-day popped over the 50-day. With the moving average, that's a squeeze right there. If you go to the weekly, again, you got the 50 popping up over the, this is the 13 EMA popping over the 50, and this runs right up to this green line right here, and that's the 100-day moving average. And then go to the monthly. So you can see every time, if it did pop, it comes right up to this 50-day right here at 350. That's the only really indicator that I'll use are moving averages. Everything else, no, not really. I'll mess around with Fibonacci, but that's about it. Volume and price action. And AGRX, this is currently at support. Support at the 70-cent area, 75 cents. It's slowly starting to look like it's starting to U-shape up and ramp up to maybe test 90 cents. Still hanging around $3. I feel like this is slowly going to die off though. GTXI. Let's see. The shippers. This is where the attention's at today, shippers. But that's it for the morning recap, guys. Made a quick $350 off of CCCL real quick with 725 shares. Got in at the U-shaped breakout. Starting the week off green. I'll take it. Let's go, team. All right, guys. If you didn't even trade today, don't be mad at yourself. You know, stick with your game plan is the most important thing every single day as a trader. Sticking to your game plan, sticking to what you know. If the stocks you were watching didn't perform the way you wanted, it's all right. Move on. Readjust that watch list. Come up with a new plan. The most important thing every day is sticking to your plan, having patience, and waiting for your setups. And keep studying and studying and studying. You will get there. Alright guys, until next time, be patient, be disciplined, and study, study, study. Let's go, team.